My name is Sofia Maria and today I would like to talk about benthos community. This slide is about the benthos community based on the lecture 13 for oceanography course. Basically, there are 6 zones classified under benthic. Those are supralittoral, littoral, sublittoral better, abyssal and hadal. In this slide, we will go deeper about hadal zone, which is the deepest zone in benthic community. Our objectives for this slide is to know about the background about hadal zone in the ocean. Next is to introduce rare species of marine life in hadal zone, and lastly is how the benthic communities in hadal zone cope with extreme surroundings. About hadal, from the picture we can see that the hadal zone is the deepest zone in the ocean. The hadal zone, also known as the hadopelagic zone, is the deepest region of the ocean. The pressure of hadal is around 16,000 psi, which is over 100 times at sea level. Most hadal habitat is found in the Pacific Ocean. Hadal used to be called as ultra-abyssal. The term hadal was first proposed by Mr. Anton Frederick Brun to describe parts of the ocean deeper than 6,000 meters. The name refers to Hades, the ancient Greek god of the underworld. Next is the marine life in hadal zone. The only known primary producers in hadal zone is certain bacteria, which is archaebacteria that are able to convert chemical energy into organic compounds, so they can make their own food without the sunlight. Most of organisms in this zone are scavengers and detrivores. There are over 400 species are currently known from hadal ecosystems that possess physiological adaptations due to the extreme environmental conditions. There is also a wide organisms in this zone, which is fish, sea cucumber, bristleworms, bivalves, arthropods and others. Most of these organisms probably come from abyssal plains. The first marine life is amphipoda. Amphipoda, or scientific name is Gammarus roselli. It is from an order of malacostracan crustaceans with no carapace and generally with laterally compressed bodies. It can be from 1 mm to 340 mm, and it is mostly detritivores or scavengers. Amphipods are found in almost all aquatic environments, from fresh water to water with twice the salinity, and also even in the Challenger Deep, the deepest known point in ocean. This creature can be found in almost all suitable habitats, with the centers of diversity in the Mediterranean basin, southeastern North America and the Caribbean. Amphipods play an essential role in controlling brown algae growth. The second creature is grenadiers. The scientific name of grenadiers or redtail is Coryphaenoids leptolepsis. It can come in length about 10 cm to 2.1 meters. It can be found at great depths from the Arctic to Antarctic. These fish are amongst the most abundant of the deep sea fish. These fish are attracted to structural oases such as hydrothermal vents, cold seeps and shipwrecks. Because light is absent in hadal zone, grenadiers have well-developed lateral line to sense movement and vibrations in the water, and this can compensate for the lack of vision. Next is snailfish. The scientific name of snailfish is Elasodiscus tremobundus. The range in length is from 5 cm to 77 cm and also can reach a weight of 11 kg. Wow, so heavy. It is widely distributed from the Arctic to Antarctic oceans, including the oceans in between. Snailfish can be found in depths ranging from shallow surface waters to greater than 8,000 meters. They are strictly found in cold waters, and interestingly, a species of snailfish of the northwestern Atlantic is known to live out its life inside a scallop. Wow! So his home is inside a scallop. Oh my god! This creature is similar to Graniadus earlier. Snailfish has well-developed sensory parts in the head, as it is part of the lateral line system to cope with extreme conditions. Next creature is casque eel. Casque eel or Abyssosbrotula galatea, it can grow to at least 16.5 cm long. It comes from all tropical and subtropical oceans and occurs in abyssal and hadal zones. This creature also holds the record of the deepest fish ever caught by human. Despite the name, they are actually more related to tuna than they are to usual eel. Casque eel has gooey texture beneath their skin, and the absence of swim bladder provides both structural protection against high hydrostatic pressure and some measure of buoyancy control. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.